Hey, welcome,
Rejected.
welcome, welcome, gangsters. Good morning. It is 9:31 on this beautiful Wednesday afternoon. And my God, what news we had last night. So obviously like 7 o'clock, 6:30 last night, Trump announces the ceasefire. And the market just goes absolutely bananas. We went up about 1,300 points so far in the futures. We had a pretty good spike up so far this morning. Our very first candle spiked us up. Now we've fallen off about 100 points here. And we're coming down to potential support. But, man, I always kind of hate, not to say this is all-time high trading, but whenever you have a huge run like that, I kind of consider that like a huge pop like that. It makes it real hard to trade that day because you don't know what the bias is. You know, after going up 1,300 points, you'd think we'd retrace, but at the same time, there's a lot of bullishness right now.
Yeah, pick your poison, I guess, right?
Mm-hmm.
We think it's going to go up. It had a nice rip as soon as it opened, and then we pulled all the way back down
Mm-hmm.
over 100 points. So you start looking left, right, and you think, okay, 134s, okay, it bounced right there, so that may be a good entry. But then, okay, what if it comes down to the 120s?
Mm-hmm.
And your better entry would be down here at the 25,000s, like the
Yeah,
50s and
right.
40s.
Yeah, or even
If
like
you're
at
going to
the
try to catch a
89s.
knife, that's where you would try to catch it. So
Yep.
we
Isaiah
got to
said
let
he
it
got
slow down a
trumped.
little bit.
Isaiah got trumped last night.
That guy. I told him, I was like, we need to figure out how to lock your account where you can't trade it till the next morning, not just till the next session.
Man, so I tried to hop on last night. I hopped on at like, it was before things started getting crazy though. So it must have been, I guess, right around like 6:20 or 6:30 or something. And I only traded for about maybe 10, 20. No, it was probably like 30 minutes, I guess, if I'm being honest. I literally made $7 during that time because the average candle range got down to 4. It was like 4.8, you know? So I'm like, well, I'm not
Yeah.
freaking sitting here any longer. So I just gray buttoned it basically. I just gray buttoned the trade, walked away with the $7 because it wasn't moving. And then yeah, like an hour later, I'm like, whoa, man, that would have been some fun stuff. Hey, good news. Good morning, sir. Are we jumping on
There
that
he is.
train? I don't know, bud.
And hopefully we'll see Chop Trader too. He was in our chat yesterday, said he was back from vacation and at home now, so maybe he'll pop in later.
Good. Very nice.
Good morning, Mark.
Very nice.
Yeah, and I kind of did the same thing, but was y'all's Tradeovate messing up? Mine was. I could really tell. Now
Yeah.
I jumped in kind of right after it hit that massive run. I got in and played a little bit with it.
Yeah.
Um, one of my Tradeofies, I got 650 on it, and I had to make like 400 over the buffer to pass it.
Yeah.
But it was like touch and go for a little bit. It was really scary. And then I would actually try to set like a take profit, and it wouldn't take it. Like it was really
It was
scary, nerve wracking because it wouldn't show up
it was
and then it
slipping.
would pop up. And one time it ran through 3 of my take profits and never took them. And I kept clicking the exit all, get out of there, get out of there. And finally it took it. So,
No, that is nerve wracking.
I think some of the other guys, I think I watched Nutty, he got on and was trying to stream, and I don't know how it worked out for him, but a couple of them didn't work out very good. So,
Yeah.
but he couldn't get on a lot of his stuff.
Damn. Huh. I wonder if they I don't know, just a curiosity, right? But I wonder if companies like that, if they pay less money at nighttime for their server farms or like however that conversation makes sense, right? Like their processing
Yeah.
power and stuff like that. I wonder if during the daytime, during when most people are actively trading, they pay more money for processing power and blah 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 versus nighttime. So when you have nighttime news like that where a whole bunch of traders are jumping on, maybe that's
Yeah.
yeah, like gumming down that network.
I think that was our chance to jump on the train. Let's see if it pulls back though. It's probably crazy to try to long this thing after, we're below the EMAs and stuff. But
Mm-hmm. A little crazy, but I like crazy.
when you look back left, this is the 5 minute. When you look back left, that all that support was right there at the 143.
Yep.
area. It wicked through it and broke that low, and it popped back up, and then this candle bounced off of that 143. So
Yep.
to me, in my mind, just temporary. That's our low. But
Isaiah said Top Step banned minis last night.
oh
Wow,
yeah,
man.
I didn't get to look at that, but I saw everybody posting about it.
That's crazy. That's like some Robin Hood type stuff, you know,
Yeah.
where they lock
And
up
you know
people
what's
for
here's
paying.
what's crazy too. So I had two contracts one time, and I had one stop in profit, and then I had one at a take profit, and they were about 15 points apart.
Yeah.
So like if it came down, it would stop one contract, but I was hoping it was going to take out, the one take profit, and then
Right.
I'd be able to trail the bottom one. But
Right. Right.
so
Right.
if it dropped down, it would have sold one, and I still would have been in one.
Yeah.
Well, it was right in the middle of them, about 15 points apart, and it just closed it.
No.
Like it just closed both though. It closed both contracts. It's almost like it hit both at the same time, but then it didn't move, and then it just slowly went up.
Weird.
So when after I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm done. This isn't.
Yeah, it's not gonna
I
work out
mean,
today. It does
yeah, I'm tempting fate already.
that normally works for that firm, right? It's not like they have some rule against it or anything.
Yeah,
Weird.
but I know like Tradeify and stuff was sending a bunch of stuff last night. They weren't because Tradeivate was doing stuff like that. They had halted their payouts and stuff. And they said, hey, look, as soon as we get this going again, the payouts will start rolling out again. And but
Yep.
so I think everybody was,
Ooh.
struggling with Tradeivate. And I think Top Step was getting if they ban minis, I mean, what does that do? I'm curious to see how that plays out in the news for in the coming days of.
Yeah, I know because people again, you can't restrict people regardless if it's for their own good or not. At the end of the day, you can't restrict, free will basically.
Yeah.
And it's free will's, if people want to blow up their account because the market is very volatile and crazy, you got to let them blow up that account. Just like 20 years ago or whatever it was, 25 years ago when they banned like those mega gulps or whatever, you could get like 128-ounce sodas and stuff. Remember those?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
huge friggin'. It was like a Home Depot bucket basically.
I love it when the movie theaters say, bring your own popcorn dish, and people walk in with these huge tubs and stuff. And I'm like,
Yeah.
I can't even eat the whole bucket myself.
Oh, I know it, man. I know it. Ugh.
And I know y'all probably had it way before us because we're in, Western civilization over here. But, it blows my mind even now that people here in town but they order, DoorDash and stuff, and they order the popcorn from the movie theater.
Yeah, what?
It just blows my mind that's a thing. But
I've never heard of that one before.
oh yeah, they have it, and it comes in the tub, and then it has a big bag around it, and it's all
That's
sealed. And
ridiculous, man.
the DoorDash driver brings it up, and
That's ridiculous. I will say I felt a little ridiculous the other day because we did do one of the like Uber Eat combos where and it was just like soda, and like we just never have soda in the house. We're not really soda people, and we're generally very very
Yeah.
healthy. But we bought, I can't even remember, food from one restaurant, and then Jackie's like, I really want a Sprite. And I'm like, all right, get a Sprite. And it was like one of those add-on things that like you can add it on to from 7-Eleven or something like that.
oh yeah,
But then the weird thing was they separated the order. And it was two different drivers. So one driver showed up with just Sprite, and then the other driver showed up with, our actual food. And I was like, how is this cost effective now?
yeah. Well, did you see the one where the guy he's I think he's in his 70s, but he delivers pizza for Domino's. Been working with them for like 12 or 14 years. Just loves it.
Yeah.
Well, the guy that had made that had ordered wanted a Diet Cokes with it. Well, they didn't have Diet Coke, so the guy just out of his own will stopped and bought him a Diet Coke at the convenience store in a bottle and took it
Yeah.
and dropped it off and just
Yeah.
said, "Here." Like, oh my gosh, well, let me give you more tip. He goes, "Oh no, your tip was enough." And that's what I do. I want to help people when I can. And so that guy did a GoFundMe for him for his
Dang.
retirement, and he set it at like 35,000.
Right.
Well, it made 35,000 in like several days.
Yeah, of course.
Well, they upped it to 70, and it was almost to 70,000.
Dang, dude. Yeah. That's always absolutely bananas. I saw something like that too. It was a real old sweet guy that was still doing DoorDash, and he had just lost his wife and just couldn't retire and everything else. And so same thing. They,
Yeah.
got the GoFundMe, and it was like he got like 5 mil or something. It was nuts, man. It was a lot of
Yeah.
money. Dang, I kind of agree, Isaiah. Here we are chatting, and the short has been shorting. We're back down here to the 25,100s, basically.
Isaiah, what if I blew up my account last night too, and I'm not trading because I don't have that account, and then you're in here making me feel bad
Right?
because I don't have an account to trade?
Thanks a lot, Marco.
Good morning, guitar guy.
Good job, gang. I should lock myself out, he says. I'm up 700 on the eval. Hell yeah, buddies. Caught 60 points on that drop, said Staxy. Good way to start the day. Absolutely, bud. Phenomenal way to start the day. I know, I got to get a trade in. Because the same thing. I got a shorter day again today, gang. Sorry about that. Though hopefully next week, next Monday, will hopefully be a full day again. As long as we can get this stinking thing done.
Good.
That was actually my first time doing flooring yesterday, too.
Oh, so it was a new experience all the way around.
Yeah, man. Fully new.
So you should be really hurting by tomorrow.
Oh, I know, dude. Tomorrow's going to be nuts, man. Tomorrow's going to be nuts. I definitely didn't bring enough water with me yesterday either.
Yeah.
I didn't bring any water with me yesterday. And they unfortunately didn't have a refrigerator that had like a thingy thing. And they live on the lake, too. So I was a little bit sketched out that it was probably just lake water, so I didn't want to just drink it. Isaiah said, put in a short and walk away for weeks. What kind of floor? Marco, it was LVP. Oh, yeah, guys, do me a favor. Here we go. Do me a little favor. Besides just liking Sink or Swim and Trading Cowboy, please go in and like Oak and Ember Interiors, though unfortunately we're only on Facebook so far. But we're starting to release some stuff. Do you have a Facebook, Trading Cowboy? I tried to find you the other day. I was trying to stalk you. I couldn't find you.
I don't. That's on the to-do list. It's on the list for today, actually. Or not today,
man.
this week. Not today.
I got a lot of
But no, my wife won't let me have one because sometimes I speak what I think.
So. Oh yeah, you got to be careful with the politics and everything else on there.
Yeah, so and I do actually have one because one of our businesses had to have a business website, and to have that you have to have a personal. But it's literally like my name, and then everything is just blocked, and I don't even know how to log into it.
Right, yeah.
But I do have to have one coming up pretty soon. So
here was the. There you go.
Oh, that's cool. I like the time lapse.
Yeah, son of a bitch! I didn't make a short for Sink or Swim yesterday, but I made a short for Oak and Ember. Oh god, you gotta get back to it. But yeah, man, it was fun. We did the kitchen and living room yesterday. I feel like we got a lot done. Like originally, Josh was thinking it would take us 2 weeks, and then after yesterday, he's like, "Yeah, probably Friday. I think we're gonna be done Friday."
I think a lot of times it's kind of just the prep work, right? And then once you start laying that floor, especially that LVP, man, it'll just fly.
Yeah, it was locking into place pretty nice. The only thing that stunk is originally I was doing, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing yet, of course, and Josh has helped me out a little bit, but he's also, in his own section doing his own thing. So I was laying it out as just, one row at a time, and I was finding when I get down like 3 boards and I was like lifting it up, it was lifting up the previous 2 or 3 boards as well, and I'm like, son of a bitch, and then I gotta go back through. So then I started doing 3 lines, at a time, and then I found that weight helped keep everything, locked in.
Yeah. So today you'll be twice as fast.
Yeah,
you'll be twice as slow because you'll be sore.
Right, yeah, exactly. She's like, no, man. Isaiah says, put in a short and walk away for weeks. I didn't know
I don't
Cowboy's
know.
real name until he commented on his personal YouTube yesterday. I know, man. That was a trivia question that I had for you guys like 3 weeks ago. I was like, does anybody actually know Cowboy's name? Out of
Yeah, the
curiosity.
one day Greg was going to give away 10 free accounts and nobody could answer it.
Yeah,
That was
nobody could
insane,
answer. So
guys.
I
I
just
couldn't
gave
believe
it.
it.
I honestly, I just blew them up myself. Then I was like, fine, if you guys don't want to blow up these
Yeah,
accounts, I'll just blow up these accounts. You know,
what a rush.
what a
He's got
friggin'
them
rush.
together right now, just enjoying them.
You know, man. So 946. I still haven't gotten a stinking trade in. We got to get a trade in sooner than later. We're coming back up to the 21 here. Might be a good place to short, but again, who shorts this crazy friggin' train?
Yeah, I mean, I wanted to try to catch it at the 70s. That was going to be my kind of knife catch.
Yeah.
I really thought it was going to break those 25.
Good news says let's buy now. Are you buying a long or are you buying a short right now, sir? Guitar guy. So
Oh,
guys, I plan on funding my own account for a challenge. I only have one rule in my cash account: will take one trade a day, no exceptions. Ooh, guitar guy. Staxy, I'll take one off your hands. We'll split 50-50 if I get the payout. Nice.
I like the whole thing, Stack Z, except for the if I get.
Yeah, right. if I.
I mean, we almost have a deal. Let's keep talking.
This might be a good rejection point. This is kind of that candle low at 820.
Yeah.
But still, hard to short this thing. Cowboy, what is your Tradeify code? You have one, right? Of course he has
Yeah,
one.
use code CB, just the two letters, Charlie Bravo, CB for Cowboy.
Tradeify.
Thanks, Driving Obsession.
Let's see.
And if you use it here, since you asked here, let me know if you bought one. I'll check it, and then my buddy Sinker Swim will get some of the profit off of it.
Oh, a little kickback. A little sink or swim kickback. All right, hold on. You said that was for a Tradeify?
Don't use Cowboy. Use CB because somebody else has Cowboy. It should be working.
Yeah. Tradeify. Is that TRADE or is it DIFY?
Yeah, DEIFY.
Yeah. Why do you gotta come up with such a weird stinking name? Alright. Ha 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 ha.
No, don't use Cowboy. That's what we're in arguments with right now.
Tradeify. CB.
And I can't. I'm trying to see if it'll let me do it without. It won't let me. Yeah, it won't let me log into it.
There
If
we
it
go.
doesn't, though, do what?
I said, there you go. Look at that. We got it right underneath your name now. Shoo.
Nice.
Look at that. On the fly. So our 9 is trying to cross over our 21.
Can somebody else try? Nobody else has to buy an account, but can somebody else try and see if that code works? Just if you log
CB?
into your Tradeify.
You're saying CB?
It tells me on my end that it's active, but I can't use it for my personal account. So
Trade iffy. Let's see if trade iffy works. 40% off all accounts. I like that. Sign in. Continue with Goog.
if not, let me figure out how to log into it. Maybe I can give you. It'll be a weird code, but let me see if I can give you a different code if that doesn't work. Driving Obsession, and you can try it.
Add discount code. CB. Apply. Woo! Hold on, sir. Let's look. Hold on. Look at this. Main camera. Does that work if I do this? It might. Do you see? I can't see it right now. Can you guys see that or no? No, it's not working. There we go. Look at that. Discount code CB. Wait, I think it's only saving us $1.09 though. It only saves us $1.09.
What's going on? What about if you change it to one of those other ones? Change it to like the growth or
To grow? Yeah, hold on.
like the growth 50K or
Right.
but let me man, what a dump. Let me try to find
Invalid code. Oh, dash. Sorry, dash. So yeah, dash is working correctly. CB is not working yet. I mean, it's working. It just doesn't have the correct discount yet. It's only taking $1.09 off.
Well, that's all right, driving efficient. I'll forgive you. Yeah, Cowboy's not mine though. There's another guy that had Cowboy for a while, and it was kind of stagnant. And people's been using it here lately, thinking it's me. So
Yeah, that stinks.
They have to wait to see. It's being used now, so they can't just take it away from that guy. So.
Shoot, man.
But hold on, let me try to get logged into it.
Man, yeah, we were talking about that dump too. That resistance point here at the 150s came all the way down here to VWAP now, 25,078. No real wick on the top of the ES candle that we just just created.
Somebody try, this is a super weird one, but will somebody try this one and see? That's super random. But you put that in
The
and see if that
randomized
works.
one. We can't even get the pretty one.
But it shows my CB's active. So.
Yeah, it was active. It just was the wrong. They gotta
Yeah.
change the thingy. Invalid code, sir.
Okay. I know Guitar Guy, and he's grateful for it. I mean, I know he's telling us thank you that you gave that to him, but
Darn
it took me a little while to. Well, I don't even know if I found him, but it took me a little while to kind of find somebody that was using that code at some other places, littler prop firms and stuff. And I watched like 5 or 6 of his videos, like the first 2 or 3 minutes, and he don't even wear a cowboy hat. So he didn't even have a
wear a
baseball hat on.
cowboy hat. That's the true gripe.
So maybe he did earlier on. I don't know.
That's the true gripe.
I mean, is this wrong, guys? I think I'm going to grab one right here. I wish I'd have caught it a little earlier. I think it's still going to dump, but
Little long ski, huh?
I'm going to give this just a little bit of room. Not much. I'm going to give it like 10 points, and I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to give it 10 points past out and get out.
Well, we are at a resistance point, or support point. We are at VWAP.
So yeah, I wish I would have caught it down here. I think it's going to make another wick, but I wanted to catch it at 67.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Still pushing up pretty good.
I'm just going to put my stop in profit just a few points above. And see. Oh, wow. What was that? What was that, Chad?
And there you go.
Come on.
Good morning,
we were up
Charles.
like 10 points or 15 points almost.
Sheesh.
All right. Now we're going to wait for it to wick through the 70, I guess.
No, I'm short. You messed up my trade.
You got to tell me, Charles. I won't fade you. I mean, the short looks beautiful still, especially after that rejection.
Man, same thing. Like Google went through the roof, Meta went through the roof, but all that stuff is just pulling back a little bit. I was hoping she would keep chugging. Darn. Shorting every pop now made me back $300, says good news.
Nice.
Charles got a short working. Zero Dawn. Don't go chase. Zero Dawn. I haven't seen you in a little bit, bud. Our timing hasn't worked out.
EP
Don't
25.
go chasing waterfalls. Take me to the lakes and the rivers I'm used to, people. Charles trying to go all the way down to 25,000. If this hourly closes strong, should get a little pullback to form a top wick on the new hourly candle and then a continuation down. That's what Stack Z is looking for. Yeah, man, I mean, especially when you look at this hourly as well. I have it really zoomed out because I wanted to see where these peaks were. You know, see this peak right here? Peaked, 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 and then fell the hell down, you know? So we definitely have a lot of resistance up at this point here. We have broken through all of our sessions. Asians, Londons. Don't have a bottom wick right here at 24,900 on the 1 hour. So that could even be a nice little target for the shorts as well. Marco wants to go short, but waiting for a good confirmation. Good news, bear flag, 1 minute candle. Greg, there's no wick on the 7 p.m. 1 hour candle. Ooh, don't you talk dirty to me. 7 p.m. Let's see. Oh yeah, isn't that the one I was talking about? And that would bring us down to the 24,915s, yeah. Or 9, whatever. I looked on your website too, bud, that you had your music list. That was very cool. You know, just in case you want, you know, could you imagine people are road trip and they're like, man, I want to listen to that cowboy song right now. You know, they're logging on and stuff.
Well, that's why I did it, because that's what, like, Charles and stuff like that, I think someone was saying, hey, like, where do we listen to that? And I was like, all right, cool, I'll just make a page. So
could you imagine you end up charting? You're on Spotify's top 100. That shit would be so funny.
I mean, if every trader got together and liked it, it could be possible.
Well, again, you guys should listen. Turn on Cowboy's website 9 o'clock at night before you go to sleep. Get like 8 healthy hours of those songs.
Marco, that's what we need to do. We need to make a course, and it's all going to be in those lyrics.
It's just in this friggin' song.
And then you can listen to it at night.
How funny would that be? It's almost like a kid's like nursery rhyme, you know, to try to like get you in there. Don't chase the breakout candle and sing song. Well, shoot, gang, it's 10 o'clock. I gotta unfortunately get going here soon. The stinking flooring job. But I would like to get one nice trade in. I haven't really gotten one nice trade in. Just been chatting today, gang. Just stuck at VWAP, man. Everybody's too afraid to short this thing. What you doing, Roars?
I'm not trying to find my
Here, iPad. I don't know where that is. Guess what? Grandma'll be here soon. No, but she's gonna bring her love and affection, and you'll get to hang out with her. Well, Stack, see, there's our, we have a nice little wick on that 1 hour candle now. So if she wants to push down, maybe this is finally it. The EMAs are fanning out real stinking nice. Stack Z says he's in the short. Man, the only thing that stinks again is, like, look at these range. This is big range. Your stop is going to have to be 160s. I mean, I guess maybe you could put your stop above the 50. But that's still a 60-point stop. These candles are just pancaking. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minutes of it.
I think the bulls know, look, if we break this and make this a bear flag, there's going to be trouble. Yeah. And we're going to go see Zero Dawn's 25,000. So.
Yep. I think we need another rejection off the 100s before going short, says Marco.
I think you're right, Marco, and that's what's going to happen, right? If they can't do it, then the bears are going to let this thing pump up here, and then we're going to get a good dump.
Yeah.
Back out of it, right?
Oh, yeah, this is going to stink. It's going to be one of those moves that's honestly just going to happen too quick. Because it could wick down to the 64s really quick, and that might be a start of a good long, It's not like if it breaks VWAP, you can't just punch short. The tick chart is showing it's not a good time to short. Oh, interesting. Well, we'll see. We'll see if we get a reaction back up at the 80s here. Nvidia's still falling a little bit. Hughes has obviously a huge gap to the downside.
You made a slushy.
Slushy.
Marco, my finger's on the button just like Trump yesterday.
Just like Trump yesterday. Pretty soon.
I mean, what happened? Are they serving donuts at the stock exchange this morning? So everybody went to get a donut, and they're not.
Literally, man. I mean, yeah. This is getting kind of boring.
And I think, Marco, I don't know if it gives me a big wick up, I'm just gonna click the sell button.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I would love to see a wick up to like the 130s. I would love to see a quick 130 wick.
But how many people are trying to short this right now?
Yeah, right. Exactly. That's why it's stabilizing, because everybody's thinking trying to short. So Stack Z's in at 25,090, stops at 25,120.
I like that.
Except for the only thing that's crazy is that's where I'd enter. It hits 120. Yeah. I'm hitting short.
Yeah.
Now shorts look good on the tick chart, says Guitar Guy.
Quit confusing this, Guitar Guy.
I know, right? This freaking tick chart.
Make up my mind.
Ooh, there's a nice little wick down.
Yeah, there's a good break.
There's a real nice wick down. But that was a fast stinking wick, man. Ooh. You should have saw that on the 1 minute. That was a crazy little wick. That almost seems like that's a long wick.
I'm gonna try a long right
Yo,
there.
right? That's what I was just thinking.
It's crazy, guys, but they pulled it right back up to the 80s. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm either gonna get burned and I'm gonna get stopped out,
Or it's
but
gonna work.
with them holding this shelf right here, I think they gotta pop up like 30, 40 points, maybe. Maybe not.
Come on, baby.
There's 10 points. I just want to see if we can get a wick to like the 110s. Give me the 110s and I'll be out of it.
Ah, I'm out. $74 though. I
Heck
thought that
yeah.
was more. Ugh. Charles, if it wicks to 25 130, it'll stop me out, Mr. Greg. Let's not talk about wicks. Staxy, yeah, I don't like that. Do it for TLC. Do it for the Chasing Waterfalls. Guitar guy. Oh crap! Don't listen to me. I just realized I have delayed market data. Oh no. Man, that was me too. That happened to me the first, I don't even know. It was like my first week of trying to trade futures and stuff. I was getting so frustrated. I was watching Patrick stream.
Yeah.
And I'm like, man, his pricing is way different than my pricing. And that was why. Because we were delayed by 15 minutes and we didn't know. I have my hands off the mouse, says Marco. I'm going to sit back and
Me too, Marco.
wait.
Look. Me too, Marco.
He's going to sit the back and wait.
Not touching anything.
I mean, it's
Not
got
touching anything, guys.
Yeah, you'd think it's got to give a nice little pop.
Just kidding. Should I just take it off there?
Oh, probably.
Look at that.
That's a little different now.
There it goes. What was the bombshell?
Ah, shit. Well, I did the wrong thing. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh, no. Where's the trade at right now? Okay, it's still going down. Oh, shoot. I try to... Man, I remind myself...
Good deal, Stack Z.
I remind myself so many times not to chase. Don't chase, don't chase, don't chase. And then here I go trying to chase shit.
Stack Z up 100 points so far today. Heck yeah. Get it.
Shoot, yeah, shoot, I did the wrong thing. I punched it short really quick thinking that we were about to sell off, man, and that didn't stinking work. Shoot.
Order filled. Order filled.
Greg, we do opposite of the wicks.
Yeah, I know it, man. Well, because the body was sinking hard, right? That whole body was sinking hard. And then the second I clicked it, my Tradevate freaked out too. Dang it.
But look, right back up to that shelf.
Uh-huh. Yeah, which the long is looking real good now, unfortunately for me. Looking like they're trying to trap shorts. Yeah, man, I agree. And I was part of it. They got me. Maybe we can get one nice little wick down again. Try to save it a little bit.
A 360 in my chair guitar guy.
Oh, man.
Not looking good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Come on.
700 per day. Should I continue or close for the day? Perhaps trade my combine. That's exactly what I would do. Good news. Close that one and rotate out of it. I'm feeling it still going down. Yeah, I know it, but every time I feel invincible, NQ reminds me I'm not, that I'm only human. I mean, it's struggling right here. Yeah,
man.
good news. I mean, look, this is experience talking, not me just telling you, what I think you should hear. So
Oh man. Cowboy, you are the top G. I should have known better. He says. I know, man. I hate whenever this is an accidental fade. I didn't mean to fade. It was accidental.
yeah, Stagsy. I mean, I really think it could still drop, but man, I feel like we need like a pretty decent, good push back up right now to break this, and then I think we easily go below the 200 EMA.
Yeah.
But it's kind of weird that it's just still sitting right here.
Yeah, I agree. You'd think we'd come up to the 50 at the very least, like the 120s or something.
Yeah.
Dang it.
And I mean, if it gets to the 9 to the 14, between the 14 and 21, I'd really try to hit a good short if it just pushed up real far there. But I don't think we get that big of a push up. I don't think.
Yeah. Just need to break 71. When the market gets like this, somebody is setting up a play, says Marco.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I mean, we're literally right at this pivot point on the 5-minute, just stuck at it.
Heck yeah, good news.
Come on. Strange, man. Hey, Lewis! Literally just holding VWAP in 200. I know it, man. Killing me. Charles, the way we work on this channel is simple. Cowboy does the trading, Greg provides the entertainment. Honestly, I like it.
We're a team.
That's funny, man. I know. Maybe one day we'll have the trades too, bud. You know? God damn it.
I like trades like this too because I can just sit in it a while and then I can win or lose. It's the ones that I get stopped out in like 10 seconds and then people come in. Do you trade?
Yeah.
Like, do you ever
I know it. I know it. Ugh.
We on stream yesterday. I don't know who all caught it yesterday, but we even had one that I was in the trade for 25 minutes
Dang.
before it hit 35-point profit.
That's crazy. That's a long
Yeah,
stinking trade, man. That's a
that's
long
insane for
time to
me.
sit there. Well, shoot, man. Should I get out of this and switch it to long?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, right now it's pretty much red or black on the roulette table.
Yeah.
I mean, you got the VWAP right there. You got that pivot point. I mean, clearly the way should be down, right? But
Lewis, do you
I
even?
think it has to pop up before it goes down. That's the only thing. I mean,
Yeah.
I think it's definitely a downtrend right now, but
Yeah. The pop up
I
makes
just want NQ to give me that 50-point pop,
a lot of stinking sense.
and then it can drop.
Maybe up to the exactly up to
Lewis, do
the.
you even scalp, bro?
Here goes. Here
Man, Lewis.
goes. I
People
get.
used to get on and say, "Is that all you ever do? Is like 10 to 15 points?" And I'm like, "Yeah, that's all you need."
That's all you need, man. That's
And
all
then I
you
saw all the
need.
backlash on some of the other channels. Hey, he only gets 10 points, and I'm like, okay, well, let's try a little bit different. Let's go Lewis style. Let's go Big Scotty.
Right?
We'll just try to get those 100, 200-point
Get the
moves.
big old ones.
I know
You
it,
should have
Scotty.
a
I need
demo
to figure out
account.
how to do that.
Have a demo account. Just enter random positions.
That would save me a lot of money instead of blowing these up. Man. Yeah, it is, Big Scotty. That's what they want to go in and they want to take your exact trade,
Yep.
not realizing that they're, 6 seconds, maybe 10 seconds behind as far as YouTube goes. And then they want to take the exact same one and they want to make, they're going to triple their size
Right.
because they think you're right. And then they blow their account.
Man. Just the dumbest wicks here.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Big Scotty. All right, it's getting serious now. I had almost 500 bucks a while ago, and now I don't have that. It's giving it to Greg.
Stop filled.
Well, I'm stopped out now. Let's see if it.
Order filled. Stop filled.
EMA is curling back down just a little bit. Here's our new 5-minute candle. First time in a while, daily looks like it could be on the 300 chart. Guitar Greg. Greg, are you still on a VWAP? No, I'm still on that eval. I got 2 of them right now, actually. We're at 51,057, and we're at 51,192.
He's killing it, guys. I mean, come on.
We were trying, man. We're down 130 on the day, though. But yeah, man, this thing's still stinking. Pushing, just pushing, 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 pushing.
filled.
Guitar guy, he says, I'm giving up. My trading career is over.
Wait a minute. I thought we were just going to put money in a real account. And now it's over.
Yeah, careful, bud. Careful. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger.
He says April Fools.
That's so funny.
Hey, if anybody's not in a trade right now, will y'all check my code again and see if it works?
Order filled.
You don't have to buy anything. Just log in there and see. Tradeify says it's good. So can you prove them wrong?
Order filled. Stop filled.
Keep going. Come on.
Tried logging into Tradeify, start freaking out, says Marco. Alright, hold on. We're on Tradeify right now.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's see. Add discount code CB. Apply. Yeah, it's working now, bud. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I just had to email.
Look at that. Now it's showing $43.60 off because the man with the cowboy hat. Huge congratulations, sir. Pretty.
Everybody would just buy 10.
Dude, right?
We could give away some evals to the less fortunate.
And then Cowboy can buy me a G-Wagon.
Yep.
Guitar guy, I don't even know if it's a good idea to fund my live account. It is not a good idea, sir. Do not
Yeah,
fund it.
it's not a guitar guy, but we would love to ride along if you do.
Yeah, but don't fund it. Don't tempt yourself, sir.
We would love to ride along if you decide to do that.
You friggin' nutball. Yeah, if you decide to do it, make sure you film it.
I mean, think about it, guitar guy. When you lose $2,000 in a prop firm, you lost your $100.
Yeah. And you're upset about
You lose
losing
$2,000 in a
$100.
real one, you lost $2,000.
Yeah. How long is this trade now,
Yeah.
bud? You've been in this trade for like 30 minutes.
Oh, I know. And Stack Z's right too, right? Never give up. I mean, I think that's it's all about, it's truly about how many evals you can buy
Yep.
before you become profitable,
Yep.
right? I mean, that's basically, you have to buy those to learn. And so, I mean, geez, guys, I don't know, these other prop firms, don't keep numbers, but on Apex, I mean, I was almost to 200 probably. 200 evals,
Yeah. All right, gang. We're going to have to leave in just like 2 minutes here. See if we can't get one more quickie on the way out, which is always a good thing to do.
Greg's playing MOC right here at 10:26.
Literally. Literally.
This is sink or swim market close.
See, that'd be a good combo code or a good discount code, SOS. Nobody has SOS yet.
Yeah, guys, use code CB.
Order filled.
Is it finally time for it to fall? It might be time for it to fall finally.
and it's just slowing down, doing nothing.
Yeah.
This is like the afternoon session sometimes.
Yeah, literally, this seems like an afternoon. This seems like a 12 o'clock session.
Yeah.
This is like the lunch algo. The lunch algo is kicked in already.
You calm down.
Is there a timer you can find on while you're already in the trade?
I do not know. Oh, it's over here. All right. Oh, you were serious? What did I do? Please tell me not. Guitar guy, don't do it, bud. Don't stink and do it.
Don't do it.
Don't stink and do it. Oh, we're down 97 on the day. I mean, it's not the worst day in the world, but how friggin' frustrating. Just keep coming down here to the 56s. How wild, man.
I mean, this
Just
may be just a
nothing.
big nothing, guys.
Yeah, just a friggin' nothing burger, dude. This has been a frustrating half hour. You can't really do much with this half hour.
Oh yeah, Stack Z. While you're here, if you're still listening, what do you want me to send you? He won one of the giveaways. He sent me his address Friday. I didn't see him yesterday, so I could ask him. What do you want? Do you want me to send you a coffee cup? Do you want a mouse pad? The mouse pads are pretty sick. Do you golf? I got some pretty sick golf towels.
Ooh, I got some golf clubs for you. Nice.
Did y'all see my golf towels? Did I show y'all those?
No, I
They're
haven't
so
seen them
sick.
yet, man. I was on your website
Yeah.
yesterday. I don't think I saw them on the website. Were they on the website already?
Yeah, they're on there
They
somewhere.
must be.
Check it out, guys. It's got your little gold golf hook.
Shoo! Big time, boy.
Riding the green.
That's clever. Hold on. Damn it.
Trading Cowboy Golf. Come on, guys. My Greg's in a trade. What are we gonna do here? You do need one of those, Mark. Let's get together and talk.
Shoot. All right, gang. I
Pretty
gotta
sure
get
you can earn one.
going. So, of course, as always, please make sure that you like and subscribe because we love y'all to death. Hopefully, we gave you a little bit of... Oh, motherfucker, look at this. Right when we're about to leave, now she starts dancing like crazy.
We got the dump finally, huh?
Oh, man. Came down to 25,030. Does that make sense for it to stop there or no? Fix got a little bit of a spike. We're ripping back up, it looks like. Came down to the 30s. Man, look at
We got
that.
the
I can't
pump we
believe that just
needed.
turned green.
Wow.
Order filled.
I can't believe that just turned green.
I think it's
And
going
of
to
course,
push
now I
back
just,
down.
now I
What's
just
it going
clicked
to
it
do?
kind of the wrong spot here, but we'll see.
Smart, Mark. I'm glad I walked away when it dumped. I would have just exited the trade probably,
Yeah.
which is probably still a smart idea right now. It's still trying to push down pretty hard.
Shoot, yeah, I just tried to jump back into it to catch a little bit of it real quick on the way out, which I'm not supposed to do, because then it gets me stuck here. Come on.
Order filled.
Shoot. Calm down, Jetty. 2 seconds left. Just short and go out, Greg. We will manage your trade. I know, right now I'm long, so I guess it shouldn't be that, huh? We do have the 200 right here, though. The 200 is down here at 25.25.
Yeah, if it hits it again, I'm just going to get out. Bad as I hate to. It gave me a chance a while ago.
Order filled.
Come on, so close.
Order filled.
Here's our 50-second push incoming, I hope.
There we go. We got one off. Shit.
Stop filled.
Nope.
Yeah, shoot. Ha.
That's a wrap, gang. Greg's going to end the stream bore I lose this account.
Yes. I know, I got it, man. I gotta get going now. Oh, useless day. How frustrating though, man. Ever since, here we go, 9:52 to now, 40 minutes of just blah 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 blah. Nothing, dude. Literally nothing. Yeah, that's it. All right, gang. Love y'all to death. Like we were trying to say 10 minutes ago. Please like and subscribe. Also, pop on over to Trading Cowboy as well. The gentleman is absolutely killing it. Make sure that you subscribe to his channel as well. He'll probably be back on in, what, sir? 10 minutes, 5 minutes, an hour? What are you thinking?
Yeah, probably 30 minutes. We'll try to get back on around 10 o'clock my time, 11 New York.
Yeah, there you go. So please make sure you pop over. And, of course, also check out his website. Check out our Discord. Check out friggin' everything. Check out Oak and Ember if you love me to death. That's it. See you, gang. Have a good one.
Thanks, guys. Giddy up.